Today, we will talk about how to learn CPA marketing. Let's have a look at the details. Cost per action/acquisition, CPA. Marketing is an internet marketing strategy where an advertiser pays for a specific action taken by a potential customer. If you have your own website with good traffic, it's relatively simple to monetize it using CPA marketing. The first step is learning CPA marketing. Think about enrolling in an internet marketing course at your local community college or lifelong learning center. This is essential if you have never done internet marketing before, as many of the terms associated with CPA marketing will likely be unfamiliar to you. In these courses, you will become acquainted with the major types of internet marketing, including affiliate marketing. Consider getting an associate's degree or online certificate in internet, digital, or online marketing. Download an ebook on CPA marketing. Relatively inexpensive or free, in comparison to regular books, ebooks about technical aspects of marketing are common. Understand how you'll make money. With all of the specific information involved with CPA marketing, it can be helpful to have an overall picture of how you can make money doing this. The second step is building your internet marketing experience. Set up a website. You may want to start with a blog on a subject of your choice. In order to become an affiliate and participate in affiliate marketing, you need to have a website with significant traffic. Learn the basics of pay-per-click, PPC, advertising. PPC advertising allows you to drive traffic to your site by placing ads on other, relevant websites. You pay the ad provider a small amount each time a web user clicks through your ad to your website. Learn how to use the channels that are often used for CPA marketing. The best way to become a CPA marketer is to learn how to drive traffic to websites. The following are ways that people learn to drive traffic. Practice driving targeted traffic to your website. Use all of the methods you have learned to try to increase traffic to your website. You'll want to try to bring on a specific type of traffic that is marketable to CPA networks. You can check the description box for the best CPA marketing course. The third step is getting started in CPA marketing. Build up an affiliate marketing portfolio. Launch some marketing campaigns and keep records of your most successful efforts. Pick out your niches. Also known as verticals, these are the specific markets in which you will be a successful CPA marketer. This is essentially what your targeted traffic is looking to purchase and a collection of their interests. Example niches include health and fitness, technology, and business opportunities. Find a relevant CPA marketing offer. To get started with CPA marketing, you'll need to find an advertiser offering CPA that is relevant to your blog or website and, most importantly, to your traffic. Submit an application to the appropriate CPA marketing website. After you've found a good offer, you'll need to apply to the proper website to take advantage of that offer. These sites include MaxBounty, Neverblue, C2M, ClickBooth, ROI Rocket, Azoogle, Affiliate, and Hydra. Take time to fill out your applications carefully, since many first-time CPA marketers get turned down. Be sure to include a phone number so that they can contact you, otherwise, you might be immediately rejected. Incorporate CPA marketing into your website. Once you are accepted by the CPA network, you're ready to begin marketing your advertiser's product or web page. Find a way to seamlessly integrate the new CPA material into your old website. That is, don't make it look overly commercial like you're trying too hard to advertise. For example, you should avoid banner advertising whenever possible. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.